guys, welcome to a anime gameplay watch skit. And I don't know. Okay. Let's do it. I'm so bored, I don't know what to do today. I just watch TV and it's tiring. I don't want to watch TV, I want to watch something fun. Another ad. Why do I keep on getting red requests on my phone for social media? I'm not famous. Oh, I gotta have like 123 subs. That's it. Well, okay. Another ad. This is a bit... Oh, I want that. Let's go order it on my phone. Okay, now that's done. And now we wait for my package. Oh good, it's here. Take box inside now. Ooh, this is really cool. Let me put this apart and make it. Oh, this is so cool. This is amazing actually. Whoa, how? Whoa, this is so cool. Let's make sure that we don't walk into stuff. I can navigate around this house quite well. So maybe we should just try navigate around the diamond shop because like I keep on bumping into loads of people there. This is so cool. We are gonna do this. This is gonna be fun. Whoops! Sorry, little chick. This is a bit hard. Woo! Ow! What happened? Ow! Oh, sorry. Well, maybe I shouldn't do this at all. I should probably go back home. Let's play a cool game. Let's go into the games tab. We can paint. We can play a fast game. We can collect stuff. We can go on an adventure on Puppet Tales. Jamal Derby, a racing game. Probably not the best thing. Best dress, weekend stuff. The claw, collect virtual items for your virtual den. Wait, you can have a den in virtual reality? That's cool. Let's open up the den menu. Oh, these are so cool. Let's have let's buy a small house. Oh, we have to pay. Yeah. I'll pay. Done. There's already some stuff. Let's clear this den out and fill in. And wow, we don't have any plushies. That's sad. Let's go play the claw. 2 years later, I've collected billions of plushies. Yay! We collected enough plushies, I think. Oh yes, this is gonna be beautiful. Well, this is actually super cool. I love this VR headset. And then we can play different games. We can buy claws, I think. I think that's a possible thing. I've seen a lot. Whoa, we got a big plushie. Cool. And a nice little... Whoa, this is huge. That's huge as well. This is so cool. These seals are tiny though. It's good. Yeah, these seals are tiny. And that penguin is huge but fat. There we go, I think that's going to be enough. Hey, look, why don't we play a different game? Oh, let's go paint. I wonder how hard this will be. Probably will be quite hard. Okay, why don't we, wow, this is actually super easy. Let's draw something, shall we? Let's draw myself wearing these goggles. I don't know what I look like though. Must be a bit weird. I must look very ugly though. Let's get the goggles on. Let's get that. Let's do that. Then that. And then we'll do that. Wow, do I really look like this? This is a bit odd. Let's start over, I guess. Oh no, I can see it's getting a bit low. We'll have to take it off and charge it before I get trapped in this virtual world forever. Let's go. Huh? Oh no, I'm trapped. I'm trapped in this virtual world. What am I gonna do? We have to stop this. Ah! We have to get out of this torture. Huh? Thank God it was all a dream. Anyways, I gotta go get dressed for the big day. Huh? What? It's not a dream! No! But how am I still here? What's going on? Why is it just loading? What's going on? I did not pull that up. Stop it. What are you doing? No. Stop it. What's this place? I don't want to be here anymore. No. No. I don't want this to run out. Stop. Plugs in charger. We now know that scary ajpw has gone forever. She is dead. She's gone. She's stuck in the VR. Can no longer get out. I don't know if this skit is good. I was just making it up as I go. But I knew the VR headset would be in there, and I don't really know. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day.